welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Michael and we're going to take a tour of our 2020 Sundance trailer. Here at the tongue, we can lift the trailer with the power drive tongue jack. Okay, so you can lift it by extending or you can retract it and that will bring it down. Okay, next. Under here in this cover is 2 propane tanks. They're fairly large, and then 2 batteries in the back here. We'll go into detail of what size they are later. Here's our leveling jack. That's very important to keep the trailer nice and level when you're walking inside. And then this is our pass-through storage bay. It goes underneath the queen-size bed. It's right down through there, and then it's magnetic, so it actually holds the door open. Okay, over here in the rear is our outside grill. Again, it has a magnetic lock. Right now we have some things up here for storage, and then we have a little barbecue grill and stove right here. We can pull that out. There's actually a sink and then a little refrigerator. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we are in the side again. These are plugs, and then right here is some vents for the hot water, and then this is for the portable water. You just use a little spigot to put in the water here. Here's the entrance to the trailer, and now this one is the lock to the door, and now that has a master key, so actually someone can get in if you don't lock this one. This one's the deadbolt. Okay, so that one will lock with only your key. So here's the entrance to our trailer. Now here's the entrance, and then there's a steps there that comes down, has these feet that will touch the ground. There's these handles here you can use. I'm told this is the most stable one that is built right now. The other ones have these fold down ones. They're a little more wobbly. Hi, welcome to our travel trailer. Come on in. So here's the living area, and also we have the stove and the sink. We have an oven right here. We have a microwave up here. We have plenty of storage up and down here. Here's our little seating area with dining. We can take the table off, so that way we can just use it as a couch. The TV would be right there. I'm going to put that up later. It can be turned around so that it could be viewed inside of the bedroom. Let's look inside the bedroom. Here's where our bed's going to be. It's a queen size bed, could fit inside here. I'm going to modify this by taking this out right here and putting in a Murphy bed right here. That way we can use it as another couch, kind of like a theater room, and then the TV will swing around and we can view from outside. Alright, now we'll come in over here. There's the refrigerator, and then here's the sink right here. We can open this up and there's a nice big sink right here. The cutting board, and there's the faucet. Okay. Now the heaters are down in here. The heat comes from up here, and the AC or the cooling system is right up here. Into the kitchen. I didn't show you the sink, how that works, and here's the cutting board that goes over the sink. And right here is our exhaust fan. We have a refrigerator that runs on propane as well as electricity. Over here we have 2 bunk beds, but they are a full size, so you can actually fit maybe 4 people in here. Hi children. I placed a mattress here because these mattresses are a little uncomfortable for sleeping long term. We also have the bathroom right next door here. We go inside. You can see there's a nice big shower, and there's a toilet down here, and then then over here to the side is a sink. And then over here are some cabinets and the ventilation above. So it has a little skylight, which is nice. You don't have to turn on the light during the day. And then come right out here. We also have a pantry. Outside of the bathroom here is a pantry. So this is where we keep our food. We have plenty of storage for that. And we also have underneath the couch and slash dining room, a little storage area underneath. Right, then underneath here actually is more storage. You can put some games, or you can put some pots and pans, or things that you really don't need right away. You can put down in here. Stereo system. It has two zones. One is the interior. I turn that off. And then this one is for the exterior. So it plays out in our patio area. So you can hear that through the doorway. So that's great. And then over here is our panel for all our electrical devices, our storage tanks, and our awning. It also has a slide out right here.
Hi guys, this is a quick voiceover. Montage time will be soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe down below. Aside from that, enjoy the montage.
For joining us. This is our intro to our YouTube channel, and then here's our playlist for our travel trailer, and then please subscribe right down here. Thanks for joining us.